Hey guys, welcome back. We're out here in the garden today. Wanted to share a little bit of information with you about some new plantings that we're doing. We've got a spot here along the house that I always like to plant up with some sort of really colorful annual. And this year we're going to be putting these Surefire begonias from Proven Winner in there. I think that these are going to really love the sunny area that we have. These actually work sun or shade, so they're really fantastic. Really resilient type of plants. But we're going to be putting these in this particular area. I ordered these up through Proven Winners, actually through Home Depot. So you can go to the Home Depot website, and if you can't find anything by Proven Winner that you're looking for, maybe at your local nursery, want to make sure you guys know that Proven Winner is also available at Home Depot. You take advantage of the free shipping that Home Depot offers, and you guys can order up all kinds of things. I don't know the exact count of plants that they have, but it's a huge library of them. I'll link the inventory below that you guys can check out. But it's a really good selection. Annuals, perennials, bushes, anything you want, and they come packed fantastic. I mean, I'm really surprised. I've ordered online plants for a number of years, but I'll include a few pictures of how these things were shipped coming to me. They were just fantastic. I unpacked them and they looked just like this. This was unpacked yesterday. So they're really packed well. It's not a huge mess when you get them. You just unpack them, unwrap them, and you're ready to put them in the ground. So why don't we go ahead and get these in the ground. I'm going to be using my proplugger. I'll link that below, but this tool is fantastic. I've got 40 of them here to plant today, so if we were digging 40 holes with a small spade, it would be a nightmare. The proplugger makes it really easy. Knock out a bunch of holes, and I'll come back with you guys here in a minute, and we'll talk about after we get them in the ground, some of the things that we do to kind of make them successful. So stay tuned. Alright guys, with that pretty easy. The proplugger made it really fantastically easy. As you saw, what I did was I took a little bit off of the bottom of the can, maybe about 2 inches at the bottom, just kind of pinched that off, and they were able to go right in the hole that the proplugger had pulled out for us. But these things are going to fill out this space fantastic. It's going to look gorgeous. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of Espoma Biotone starter fertilizer. Going to sprinkle that over the top, get rid of the plugs and all of the can disaster that I had there, and give them a good watering in, and these things will just take off and be fantastic. I'll put a maybe an after picture after here in a couple of weeks. We'll put them up on our Instagram if you want to follow that link below. Also, what we'll do is have a garden tour here in a couple of weeks that you guys can check out everything that we have going on. Until next time, guys, check out the link below from Home Depot where you can get all of these proven winter flowers, annuals, perennials, bushes. Like I said, really easy to order, free shipping. They arrive fantastic and ready to put in the ground. You just can't beat it. So until next time, guys, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.